In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bookmark on Safari iPhone. If you find yourself visiting the same sites often, bookmarks are the simplest way to keep them one tap away. Think of a bookmark as a permanent shortcut to a page you want to return to later. Unlike leaving a tab open, a bookmark doesn't clutter your browser and it won't disappear when you close Safari. Let's walk through the process slowly so you know exactly what to expect on your screen. First, open the Safari app on your iPhone. Make sure you're on the exact web page you want to save, not just the home page of the site. Safari will bookmark the page you're currently viewing, so it's worth taking a second to navigate to the right article or section. Next, look for the Share button. It's the square with an upward pointing arrow. On most iPhones, you'll find it along the bottom of the screen. On some layouts, it may be near the top. Tap it to open the share sheet. This panel has rows of icons and actions you can scroll through. Now, scroll down the share sheet until you see Add Bookmark and tap it. If you don't see it right away, keep scrolling. The option can sit a bit lower depending on your installed apps and recent actions. When you tap Add Bookmark, Safari opens a screen where you can confirm where the bookmark will be saved. Here you can choose a folder if you want. Favorites places the bookmark on your Safari start page and in the Favorites bar on other Apple devices, making quick access even easier. The General Bookmarks folder keeps things tidy if you prefer a simple list. Pick the spot that matches how you like to browse and keep organized. When everything looks right, tap Save. That's it. Safari stores the bookmark in the folder you chose, and it's ready whenever you need it. There's also a handy alternative straight from Apple's guide. Instead of using the share sheet, you can touch and hold the bookmarks icon, the one that looks like an open book, then tap Add Bookmark. From there, you'll see the same screen to pick a folder and then tap Save. It's a quick shortcut when you're already thinking in bookmark mode. With these steps, you can capture any page in just a few taps and keep your browsing streamlined. Use favorites for your everyday go-tos and standard folders for deeper collections. Happy bookmarking and enjoy a faster, more organized Safari experience on your iPhone.